Hello, this is Dwight Norris of fishingatwork.com, and here we are again at my local venue, the Charles River, right next to Storrow Drive and the business district known as Copley Square. Here is the Esplanade. What you see here is a separation between the main river and this little, I don't know what you want to call it. It's like a causeway of water, a sound maybe, but it's on a river, not the ocean. So today we're going to be doing another fishing with Dwight Norris and seeing how I'm doing. But I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to change baits. No more worms. Well, not for today, until I review the trick worm. Today I'm going back to that Rapala Countdown minnow that I had before, which I actually broke some barbs off of, which might be a good thing because I'm going to be fishing around the lily pads where I caught that carp at, and near where I caught the bass, and where you would guess most of the fish would be here at the summertime. So I'm gonna rig this up. You can watch, you can skip forward, and then I'll move to my fishing spot and continue recording. And you can watch me once again doing my thing, like you should be doing your thing, fishing whenever you have time available to you, and doing the proper things you need to do to get that done. You can go to the website, fishingatwork.com, and click on the link to subscribe and get your free 10-step process to go fishing at work PDF, and learn all you need to do to get out here during your lunchtime and get some fishing in. So let's get rigged up. Cut this off. Make sure you don't throw away your fishing line anywhere. Put it back in your bag. Keep the environment safe. So, some snap line right here. Take a little off the top. Throw that back in the bag. Throw this back in the bag and do it for later. Pull out my Rapala sinking or countdown minnow, size CD5. It's not 5 inches, but as you see here, there's some damage. I only have 2 hooks in the front, and one of them is a little bent, and there's 2 hooks in the back. I got caught in my own tackle bag and pulled them right off. As they got so tangled in there, I couldn't get out, and I had to pull, and that was a bad idea. But guess what? I can get new barbs online. That's fine. I don't need all of those to catch fish. So, put this back in the bag. Oh yeah, put my Texas style bullet weight back in the bag. And rig it up. Let's see if I can't catch a fish and or a lily pad or a log or something I don't want to catch. But I'm gonna hook something eventually. Hopefully something I want to. I'm using my old slip knot method here. I still haven't gotten around learning the polymer knot, I believe it's called. I'm gonna have to remember that. It's just not really on top of my list of things to learn. I have something that works, and it works consistently. And if you find something that you like, maybe it's this, maybe it's the polymer knot, maybe it's something else, maybe it's something you invented, use that. It's fine. It's a knot, as long as it stays on. Even when you give a good tug on something that you get hung on, like a lily pad, and you want the line really to break just before your rod breaks, because your rod breaking is obviously more expensive, and you don't have extra on the spool of that. When it breaks, you're done. This isn't an expensive fishing rod, but it's more than a fishing line. So I want a very strong knot that will release and break just before that. So I have can't pay too much this. It's $10 lure. I have a retail $35, $40 fishing combo with the Eagle Claw packet, and let's give it a try. So here we are. spot I was in last time on the lily pads. I'm gonna try out something else. Not a worm, but a minnow. We saw minnows last time, so let's see if using the artificial bait of choice gives me better results. I caught a log, and on that log was a spinnerbait. One not unlike the one that I was planning to get. As you can see here, it's missing the main spinner, and everything else is intact. Hasn't been there too long. The bottom is a little scraped up. It's missing the paint there, and this is what looks to be some form of braided line. So to snap this puppy, must have pulled really hard. So I'm gonna do my job, clean up the environment, and fix this with a new spinner and have myself a new bait. Recycle, reduce, reuse. Let's leave that right there. And try a little longer in this spot. No bites, not great, but something's up. So this spot is not hot at all. I'm gonna move further down. So another section of lily pads, and under that tree where I caught that really big bass, and you know, see if something happens. I'll try to record over there as well, and hopefully something bites. Well, we didn't catch anything today. No bites. No visions of fish. Sorry for the noise. It's walking along the Store Drive highway, it seems like. But nothing really biting in. I saw several of those packs of minnows, probably like 6 or 7 packs of them, and each pack has about 30 to 40 inch to 2 inch long minnow type things. I'm not really sure what type they are, but no bites. Where are the fish? Why aren't they biting my lure? I wonder. But I did find something cool. I didn't take that particular lure off my rod, which I didn't do last time. It required me to rip it out of my bag. This time I found a neat little trick. I took a plastic bag, and I wrapped it around the lure and ziplocked the part that I could, and then I put it into the bag, bottom first, so that's sitting at the bottom so it won't be jostled around. Now, the lure is safely inside of a package, and it can no longer open up a bag and rip out more barbs and mess up the bag. So that's pretty much resolved. I'll probably make a better process or system, or maybe a product to actually do that. That seems kind of useful. I think I've seen some people that have the treble hook like covers. And those are awesome too. Plastic bag is a little easier to access, cheaper. I don't like plastic so much, but maybe there's something else. But the bag in general that can't be ripped through by a hook, pretty awesome. It's a cheap, quick trick you can use with a used plastic bag that you have, you know, the reused part of the whole thing, and you can make that happen. So that's it for fishingnetwork.com. Please go to the website, sign up for the email list, get your 10-step process to go fishing at work. Go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and check out my blog posts. This is awesome information in there. I'll be providing that over and over again, constantly, getting you the information you need and providing value daily. So get out there and go fishing.